Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Booqable Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on your sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, in App Marketplace, use the search bar to search for the application you would like to install. And when you find it, click on it. On this interface, click Install and allow an install. Next, refresh your page. When the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of important tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which has every information about the application. Next is the tutorials tab, and it contains resources that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Up next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To do that, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your Booqable account online. In your Booqable account, click on your profile and click on User Settings. And in User Settings, scroll down and click on New Authentication Method. Give it a name of your choice and save. Next, copy the token, head back to your account and paste it where required. Fill in the company name and click Complete Setup. And that's it, the application has been set up. Up next is the Support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. And finally is the changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. You can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address here and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.